Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English vocabulary. Intermediate level. Quiz. Which sentence correctly uses the word undermine? His constant criticism undermined her confidence. I undermined my old car. The undermine was very tasty. His constant criticism undermined her confidence. What does viable mean? Impossible and unworkable. Capable of working successfully, feasible. Unlikely and improbable. Capable of working successfully, feasible. Which sentence correctly uses the word warrant as a verb? The situation was serious enough to warrant immediate attention. I warrant my old furniture. The warrant was very sweet. The situation was serious enough to warrant immediate attention. What does xenophobic mean? Having or showing a dislike of or prejudice against people from other countries. Having or showing a love for foreign cultures. Having or showing a love for one's own country. Having or showing a dislike of or prejudice against people from other countries. Which sentence correctly uses the word yield as a verb? The apple tree yields plenty of fruit each year. I yield my old clothes. The yield was very loud. The apple tree yields plenty of fruit each year. What does zealous mean? Indifferent and unenthusiastic. Having or showing zeal, fervent, passionate. Lazy and lethargic. Having or showing zeal, fervent, passionate. Which sentence correctly uses the word acclaim? The film received critical acclaim for its original storyline. I acclaim my old car. The acclaim was very tasty. The film received critical acclaim for its original storyline. What does boisterous mean? Quiet and reserved. Noisy, energetic, and cheerful. Sad and depressed. Noisy, energetic, and cheerful. Which sentence correctly uses the word culminate? The event will culminate in a grand fireworks display. I culminate my old furniture. The culminate was very sweet. The event will culminate a grand fireworks display. What does detrimental mean? Beneficial and advantageous. Tending to cause harm. Neutral and harmless. Tending to cause harm. Which sentence correctly uses the word exemplify? Her work exemplifies the best of modern design. I exemplify my old clothes. The exemplify was very loud. Her work exemplifies the best of modern design. What does frivolous mean? Serious and important. Not having any serious purpose or value. Sad and depressing. Not having any serious purpose or value. Which sentence correctly uses the word gratify? It gratifies me to see you doing so well. I gratify my old car. The gratify was very tasty. It gratifies me to see you doing so well. What does haphazard mean? Organized and systematic. Lacking any obvious principle of organization. Planned and intentional. Lacking any obvious principle of organization. Which sentence correctly uses the word imperative? It is imperative that we finish the project on time. I imperative my old furniture. The imperative was very sweet. It is imperative that we finish the project on time. What does jovial mean? Sad and depressed. Cheerful and friendly. Angry and upset. Cheerful and friendly. Which sentence correctly uses the word knack? She has a knack for making people feel comfortable. I knack my old clothes. The knack was very loud. She has a knack for making people feel comfortable. What does lucid mean? Confused and unclear. Expressed clearly, easy to understand. Very large. Expressed clearly, easy to understand. Which sentence correctly uses the word meticulous? He is meticulous in his work, leaving no detail unchecked. I meticulous my old car. The meticulous was very tasty. He is meticulous in his work, leaving no detail unchecked. What does negligent mean? Careful and attentive. Failing to take proper care in doing something. Overly cautious and wary. Failing to take proper care in doing something.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.